Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Cleara back in the building with another video. As you can tell by today's title, I'm going to be talking about these passion twists. So are passion twists a good go-to protective style? Are they worth the money? So for starters, I want to say if you love the messy look, you will love this look. In my opinion, I do think that these twists are a great protective style to go to. And it actually might be my next go-to braiding style because they are so lightweight. So I know when I've gotten faux locks or box braids, like they're so heavy. Now, I also have a lot of hair and I have about, I think 60 twists in here. Yes, I counted. So it is a lot of hair. When I do put it up, just like any other braiding style, it does get a little heavy, but it's not as heavy as, you know, it is when I do faux locks or something like that. Second, these are very easy to manage. Now, I'm gonna touch base on this a little more maybe, but the reason why I say they're easy to manage is because they already kind of have a distressed, rough look to them, like a more natural texture to them. You know, throughout the time that you have them, you don't really have to worry about keeping them so neat and intact and whatnot because it already has like that natural like texture to it, looking like your hair almost. And third, they are very, very easy to do. So I did do these on my own. I did not pay any money. I refuse to pay any money to let someone braid my hair when I can just YouTube a video and learn on my own. So to do these, you will need a crochet tool. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. I think it costs like $1 or something like that. Like, it's really cheap. So the type of hair that I use. Now, I wanted to make this video partially because I was Googling what type of hair to use to do passion twists, the type of method, or how long or how many inches do I need to get, and I could not find any videos that told me like how long their passion twists were or the exact type of hair that they got. Like, I couldn't find any videos. So I went to my local beauty supply store and I got the Bohemian braiding hair in 18 inches. I got two different shades. I got shade 2 and then I also got, let this focus. I got shade 2 and I also got shade 4. So my hair is like a dark brown and light brown mixture. Yeah, I wanted it to look as close to my hair color as possible. And then I also got water wave. So I mixed the hair textures as well. So I did Bohemian and water wave. So you can go to your local beauty supply. Like I said, this is 18 inches. I'll show you how long it is. So it comes to about right here on me. And in the back, that's about how long it is. I am 5'5", or I might be 5'6". So I'm a pretty average height, kind of tall. And 18 inches, it worked for me. And the way that I twisted them, and I even twisted it like super tight, and it still came, you know, kind of loose. So I feel like 18 inches, I like this length. Like, it's not super long, but it comes to my waist. It's the perfect length for me. So if you're looking for like a length longer, then you know to go how many inches lower than or higher than 18 inches. So if you want longer, if you want it to your butt, I'd probably do 24 inches or 22 inches. Or if you want them shorter, then obviously 16, 14 inches. So how much did the hair or the whole style in general cost me? Altogether, it cost me only 30 bucks. $30, y'all. Did you hear me? I don't think you heard me. $30 versus spending $200 or $150 for someone else. I'll take that $30. Yep, I'll be doing that. I'm going to get that crochet bar too. And I got 6 bags. 6 bags of this hair. I think I got 2 bags of the shade 4 and I got 4 bags of the shade 2. So I don't know if you can really see on camera, but it's kind of just like a very subtle mixture. Like, you can see the light brown a little bit and then the dark brown. So I only had to use 5 bags and I got 6. So really I used 3 of the 2 and 2 of the 4, if you just understood what I just said. And I mixed the textures. Like, I was just mixing it all around. I didn't really have like a method or a strategy to how I was putting it in my hair. I just knew that I wanted different textures because that's going to make it look more natural, and I knew I wanted to mix the colors because I knew that would make it also look more natural. I also have like a ton of hair. Like, y'all, I got a lot of hair. So 5 bags worked for me to get this full head of hair full. And these are a lot of passion twists. And I did the partings fairly, not too small, but the partings are like maybe medium size. So how did I get this particular size? So I would say these are about small to medium. I only took, the hair is like kind of already separated for you, so it's not like you have to like section off how thick you want it with regular like Kanekalon hair. But I took 1 of these, and then I took a half of another one to get this size. So I would take this 1 strand, and then I would separate a whole nother strand like this and combine it together to get a size like this. The type of methods to use. I know there's a rubber band method, and then there's a braiding method. I did both. So I did some rubber bands in the back of my head, which that can cause manipulation on your hair. Then I also researched, I was looking at, I think her name is Kiki or something on YouTube. I was looking at her videos, and she does a braiding method, and then she crochets it in her hair, so it's less manipulation on the hair. I obviously didn't record me doing them. I may do them again at some point, and I'll record it like later in the future, or if y'all want it ASAP, then let me know and I will record it for you guys. How long did it take me to do these twists? It took me 8 hours. The only reason why it took me 8 hours is because I was like on and off. I was taking breaks. I was fooling around. I wasn't like 100% focused on finishing my hair. So I started at 1 and I didn't finish until like midnight. Now wait, so here's the thing. I didn't really for real start until like 4. So So I started around 4 and I didn't finish until midnight. And the only reason why it took me that long is because I was taking breaks. So I would say this really should have took me only like 6 hours. So anywhere between 5 to 8 hours is about how long it takes if you do them on your own. So definitely set out, a good morning, or start early in the morning, or if you have nothing to do all day, then just choose whenever to do it. So back to managing. I mentioned they were easy to manage. With braids or like box braids or faux locks, I always found it really hard for me to sleep very comfortably with my silk scarf or something like that because they were so heavy. So with these, because they're not heavy, I put my hair up in a bun and throw on my silk bonnet and I go to sleep. I take my happy butt to sleep and I'm comfortable. They're not uncomfortable for me to lay on, like my neck isn't hurting. Easy to manage. And also, you can just sleep with a silk pillowcase, but I do find that the ends are still not completely protected when you're sleeping. So that's also kind of like what I mean when I say they're easy to manage. They're easy to sleep with because they already have the distressed look. Like, you don't have to really worry about keeping them all neat and perfect. Like I said, if you like the messy look, you'll love these. So I absolutely love my passion twist. I love them. So overall, with my opinion and my review about passion twist, I think they are great passion twists. I think they're a great go-to style. They're very simple and easy to do, easy to manage. They're lightweight. Like, you really can't complain. They're cute. They're gorgeous. Yeah, I can't complain about them. I would do them on your own, even though if you're not the best braider, just learn. Just pick up a YouTube video and learn how to do it. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I've got some good stuff coming up, so make sure you subscribe. Also, like, comment below what's another video you want me to do. Bye.